It's going to sound ridiculous, but I want to know what else.
What else? Okay.
I just had, like I said, I came here hesitantly because I knew that when I came, it'd be a floodgate, essentially. And I'm just wondering what
Okay. Well, we can take a look at that. I'm going to kind of like let everybody get something to eat. And I'll be happy to take a look because there's always more. There's always more. And then the more I understand your dynamic between you two, that makes it makes sense, because we're putting this life with the people we're supposed to be with, good, bad, or indifferent. There is a reason. Like, for example, my husband and I are polar opposites, okay? And if I went around all day going, wish you were more like me, wish you did this and wish you did that, no, it would change who he is, and that would change who I am. By him being who he is and him follow his path, it allows me to be who I am and follow my path, and then they work both together. But yet I know some couples who are both very spiritual people, and it works for them. But this works for us. So that makes it make sense to me. But you have to be willing to see that picture and not trying to make somebody else fit into your mold in order for your life to go the way it's supposed to go. But yeah, I'll be happy to take a look to see if there's anything else I can see. But sometimes it's like, nope, that's all you're going to get. He's got to figure it out for himself. But we can definitely take a look.